Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. Now I'm going all purples and violets and it's part of my mini series. So I'm creating pieces using 8x8 inch canvases, and what I'm doing is I'm just exploring colour, having fun and experimenting with those colour tones. So this is all about purples and violets. I hope you're enjoying this series and let me know which colour is your favourite so far. And if I've not included that colour yet, what one are you really looking forward to? Thank you for joining me and let's see what we can create. Okay, so I've painted the edges of my canvas just to prepare that. So an 8x8 inch canvas. These are the colours that I've opted for. As you can see, I'm using 3 different brands, and I'm hoping by using those different brands I'm going to be able to create some cells and some lacing. Now all of the paints are just mixed with water, so no other cell additive, very fluid, perfect for a Dutch pour. Okay, so I've painted the edges. I'm just going to prepare the base colour now. So just tip straight onto the canvas, and all I'm doing with my palette knife, I'm just spreading that paint out evenly. I'm expecting this one to dry very dark, but I've got some other tones, some other purples and violets that I'm hoping will complement that, and I'm even going to use a little bit of gold to break that up. That's it. And then what I do sometimes is I just have a little look on the base just to make sure there's no big puddles of paint anywhere. Obviously I'm going to still flood that so it will help with the blowout for the Dutch pour. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. So I'm going to start layering my paints, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to puddle them in the middle and then blow the base colour over those colours. Ooh, very pretty. Hopefully. Just going to get rid of the air bubbles. I can see a blob of paint just there. Got ya. Got ya. Ooh. Oh my god. Making a mess. It's not art, is it, unless you make a mess? None of my clothes now are pristine. Every piece of my clothing has a dollop of paint on it somewhere. So, hey, it's all good. Right, I'm going to blow over this way and then fan out. love it. It's gold. I love these lines just here. Some of the very darker purple just coming up there. Right, I'm going to torch, just see if I can bring through any more cells. I'm really happy with this one. I think I say that with all of them, but no, I really, really am. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to tidy up my sides, just going to take the drips off the sides, and then I will take you in for a close-up. Okay, there we go. What do you think? I love this bit just here. I love those lines. Let me take you in for a close-up. So pleased I use that gold. I think that's going to really help pop those other purple and violet tones. Yeah, I'm really, really happy with that. And some of the little cell formations just here. Over here. It's hard to show you on the camera, but I'm hoping this is going to dry really well. And then I'll take you in for a close-up of the dried version. Wow, look at these purples and violets. And adding that gold, I think has really made this piece and helped those colours pop. I love how it's dried. I love that detail on there. And you know what, when I step back and look at the composition, I love how the light and the dark colours really kind of complement each other. And I feel like that's a real splash that you can see there. What do you see when you look at this piece? I'd love to hear what you think. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you again soon, and I hope you have a fantastic week. Take care. Bye.